Inte så effektivt.
Got a ticket to nowhere. Come and fly away with me tonight. Can you stay till the morning? Can you tell me that everything's alright? Lose my mind and I'm falling for you. I get up, I'm in need of us too. Got a ticket to nowhere. When the fighting is over, it goes on and on and on and on. On and on and on. It goes on and on and on and on. On and on and on. In your eyes or your body, you don't have to tell me you don't care. I just need you to hold me. I just need you to show me anything. Lose my mind and I'm falling for you. I get up, I'm in need of us too. Got a ticket to nowhere. When the fighting is over, it goes on and on and on and on. On and on and on. It goes on and on and on and on. On and on and on. It goes.
Hey, you're such a good girl. Yeah, I will.
The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely.
Alright, I haven't been to In-N-Out in probably 15 years. Emily, what about you? When was the last time you went to In-N-Out?
Never, I don't eat red meat.
Okay, wow, what a buzzkill that was. GoPro's dying.
Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you us.
Yeah! Oh, Keisha's the biggest boy.
Welcome to 30A.
right, I got Brendan with me, Ricky with me. We've gone on many adventures before. We went to Nicaragua, Iceland, and now we're going to the most random state in America. Behind us, we have a lake. We are in a different state right now, trying to get to our state. And let's continue the adventure.
There was a man who ran that whole damn town. He thought he owned her and that they'd settle down. Took her back with a cold 484. I loaded up and rode out into the night. Took out his men and by the dawn's early light left a blood trail up to his porch. Held my breath and I kicked down the door.
So we're leaving Fargo, North Dakota, and when we were there, everyone kept asking where we were from. It might be our accents, the way we dress, I don't know. We're like, oh, we're from Connecticut. And they're just like, I don't know, we've never met a person from Connecticut. I'm like, I've never met a person from Fargo, North Dakota. And then they asked us, like, why did you come to North Dakota? Besides saying the fact that an AI told us to. Ricky, what do you think? Midlife crisis? Like, why did we come to North Dakota?
I feel like some people do bird watching, some people
Run marathons.
some people cook sourdough, and we went to Fargo. You know what I mean?
Who spent the time, energy, and money to make this?
But like, why is it?
But we're here. Largest in the world. Google it. Wherever in Minnesota that we're located.
We're in Rothsay. But why is it? What makes
So when your flight gets delayed, take advantage of it and go to the Mall of America. This
Hard till death do us part.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight.
like the Super 8 was super in my opinion.
super disgusting.
Sorry.
Ricky is no longer allowed to plan things. He also doesn't know how to work Google Maps.
Okay, I
Does
don't
that-
know
does
that's
that-
just vibes.
This would be a great time to transition.
Oh, okay.
And then I don't edit it.
We're just here.
We're just here.
But really, what is the swag bag company?
I don't know. I'm excited to see that.
You couldn't ask for more, if you ask me.
We're gonna edit that out. That's at the Cliffs of Moher. It's unreal. Couldn't ask for more if you ask me. We'll edit that out.